This is page 51. This is your final functions packet. It gives you this function, and it says that, or possible functions. It gives you ABCD for your domain and -1, 0, 1 for your range. Okay. Then it asks you which of these is a function. So let's take a look at this. I'm going to tell you that possibly you may be able to just look at these and figure it out, but probably the easiest way is to graph them and see if they fail the vertical line test. One thing that I want you to notice, it didn't tell me what A, B, C, and D are. It doesn't really matter. It says from A to B, which means, let's just say that this is A, and this is B, and this is C, and this is D. Again, it doesn't matter because all you're doing is testing to see if it's a function. And then, of course, you've got 1, 0, -1, and those are in your range. So, part 1, it says which of the relationships, so you've got this. We're going to do part 1 with pink. A0 is there. Let me just, come on. C1 is here. And D, -1 is right there. The question is, does it pass the vertical line test? Yeah. I mean, if you take, here we go, a vertical line there, and a vertical line there, and a vertical line there. No two of those points occupy the same vertical line. And so that, then is a function. So A, the answer is yes. Okay, so let's look at B now. Or 2, sorry. 1 was yes. 2 is, and let's do that in purple. So that's the purple one. A -1, place in the dot. B -1, C0, and D1. Again, the vertical line test is perfectly fine with all 4 of those points, which means for D, yep, also a function. Oops. Let me go back and just get all these gone first. And then write yes. Okay, for number 3, you've got A1 and B1 and C0 and D0. Does it pass the vertical line test? Yep, 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 yep. All right, so 3 is a function. So I'm going to, whoops, I lost my yes here. I'm going to say that 3, that answer is yes. Lastly, we're going to do, in brown, A1, right there, B0, right there, C -1, there it is, D0, and A -1. Uh-oh. Fails. If it fails once, it fails entirely. So IV, or 4, is no. All right. The thing I noticed on this is that there are 3 yeses, 1, 2, and 3, and only 1 no, which means this is a flawed problem because these are both correct. Well, actually, 1 and 3 is a yes. 2 and 3 is a yes. 1 and 4 is a no. Anything with a 4 in it is a no. Really, B and C are correct here. If they had said which of the following relations is not a function, that would be 4, but it's just a weird problem. It has a flaw. The answer should be 1, 2, and 3.